While Cadassio can save out 2D images and movies, our main focus of being able to share an interactive 3D presentation is an extremely powerful feature. Let's take a look at how to do this. As you can see, I have a simple project with several steps. It doesn't matter how complex my project is, whether it's one step or 100, the process of sharing online is the same. When I am at a stage where I want to make this available, I would simply go to the Tools tab on the left hand side of the designer and choose Publish Online. A new, simple to use dialog box will appear. Please note you can also access this within a project settings in your Cadassio dashboard area. Cadassio works with versions, which I won't cover in detail in this video as we have a separate video all about them. But for the purposes of this quick tip, all you need to be aware of is that a version needs to be created if you want to publish your project online. In this instance, since I don't have any versions created yet, the interface will tell me and I can easily create one by clicking this button. This will create a version and publish it online in one go. You'll see we're given a QR code. This is a fantastic way of sharing a link to your project with your end users. You can download this so that you could put it on your packaging to make accessing your instructions extremely convenient. You're also given a public URL to share and an embed code in case you want to embed the presentation on your own website. Simply clicking within the boxes will copy the links. Let's open up a new tab in my browser and go to the copied URL. You'll see the project opens up in the Cadassio viewer. Anyone who has this URL can access this. They don't need to download any software. They don't need to be a Cadassio customer. It's completely free to view, and it doesn't matter whether they're on a Windows system, a Mac, a phone or a tablet. And the great thing about it is they'll be able to interact with your presentation in 3D, go through all your steps and really see the procedure you're trying to explain. Absolutely fantastic. Now when you open the URL, it will go to the first step on your project. But as part of publishing online, we can actually get links to go to any step directly. Simply go to the Steps tab, choose the required step, and you'll see a new URL, embed code and QR code that will take you directly there. There are a few settings that are worth knowing about which you can access by clicking the Options tab in the Publish Online dialog. First is Auto Start. With this off, when someone browses to your presentation, they'll see a play button to load it up. This is great if you're embedding the project, as you may not want it to load up straight away. Also, for security reasons, internet browsers do not allow us to automatically force full screen. So another advantage of not auto starting is that we can try to make the viewer fill the screen when they click the play button. We can also change the tag of the published project. The tag is a unique code which by default will match your project name, but you may want to change this to make it more user friendly. When you do change it, please note your URLs, QR code and embed code will also change, leaving the previous ones obsolete. You can also set a password so that when someone browses the URL, they have to enter it before any information is displayed. Finally, the transparent background option will only make sense if you embed your project, which you can easily do with the embed code. Simply get your web developer to drop the code into your page and our viewer will load up. This is great as it means you can style everything around it to match your company website. Please bear in mind to keep the aspect ratio of the embedded viewer the same as when you created your project, otherwise you'll need to set up some device properties. One of the most powerful features of Cadassio is that you can easily update your projects when a design changes. This update could come from your CAD system, such as new geometry or parts, or it could be a change within the steps themselves. In this case, I'll add a logo to all my steps as I forgot to do it before. When you make changes that you wish to commit, you'll need to create a new version so that people can view it online. If you don't, then the available publish links that you shared previously will remain as they are and be out of date. It's really easy, simply go to the Versions tab, type in a description and create a new version. For those on the premium edition of Cadassio, you can have multiple versions available at the same time. If you are not on premium, then whenever you create a new version, it will automatically replace the old one. For more information about versioning, check out our other videos. Great, so hopefully you can see just how easy it is to share your Cadassio presentations online with anyone. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and don't forget to follow us on your favourite social media platforms.